Hello there, everybody. Well, if you're a serious fan of Starblazers and the space battleship Yamato, I wanted to make this video to show you that I'm offering commission build-ups of this beautiful 1/350 scale model kit by Bandai. This is the ultimate edition of the space battleship Yamato kit that's available anywhere. It's been discontinued. It's been out of production since 2007. I'll be offering 2 of these builds. If you're interested, you can get a hold of me at info@trekworks.net to have this commission, to set up a commission build of this model. I have 2 of these kits and I'll be building them starting in the next couple of weeks. And you'll be able to see your model built up entirely step by step here on my channel. And I'm showing you this version here. This is an earlier version that I built that's going out to a client of mine. And I just wanted to show you all the beautiful detail and how the model can turn out. We have little options we can offer, whether you want to have weathering on it or not. This one's weathered a little bit, but we do this beautiful iridescent paint job over the top that gives it this kind of blue shimmering effect that gives it a really futuristic look, like the ship is made out of some kind of space metal or futuristic metal, and it looks really fantastic. It had that kind of shimmer on the cartoon series and on the TV show. It's an absolutely beautiful model. We go the extra mile here, and I completely have some custom decals made so we can decorate the little fighter planes totally accurate like they were on the show. A lot of these builds that you see, that's just hand painted on there and it looks pretty rough, but you can see the markings are absolutely perfect on all the little planes, including the Zero fighter here at the top. And we just have all this special detail. You can have it done with or without the little anchor emblem. The versions of the ship kind of change as the show goes along from start to finish, but we have several options, and we can definitely do the paint job that's that you would like to have done on this model. We can talk about all that when you enter into the commission, and it'll take about 2 weeks to have this built, and we will ship this out to you in a special container where it won't get damaged, or of course you can come and pick it up here at my shop. But this is an absolutely beautiful model. Let's start off by showing you some of the detail and some of the features. We have this light up area here. We can light up the conning tower and see all the detail on that. You can see all the photo etch railing and all the special detail items we put into this model. We have the main planet destroyer weapon here at the front with sound effects. Okay, and we also have the star drive at the rear. Okay, and then of course we can operate the main guns. We'll move these about for you here. So as you see here, we can rotate and elevate the main gun turrets, both fore and aft. We'll show you the rear swinging into action. You can control which direction they go. And then you can control the elevation on the guns. And also you can do the firing effect. Put the guns back in their parked position. Alright everybody, well here's one more really interesting feature that this model has, our midship anti-aircraft guns. Now how cool is that, you guys? As I said, this is the ultimate, if you're looking for the ultimate version of the space battleship Yamato. Okay, like I said, contact me at info@trekworks.net if you're interested in getting one of these built, and we'll talk to you then. Thank you for watching. Happy modeling, everyone.